Residence Inn, John Hawkins. So we walk in. You can see we have reception. We have a market right here. Little living space. Right here for breakfast, we have coffee. And then eggs, turkey sausage, grits. We have oatmeal, your breads, cereal, toaster. This is the end of breakfast, but it was a lot more full. So boiled eggs, cantaloupe, honeydew, oranges and apples. And then right there, you've got your juice machine and your waffle maker. And then out here, you can come and sit. And what I did like about this is that they have takeout containers. So if you are in a hurry or you know that you're not gonna be able to eat because you're running out to get to somewhere like a ball game, you're able to do a takeout. And then they do have an exercise room directly across. And it's open 24 hours. So this is a nice little place. This is room 521 at the Residence Inn in Hoover, Alabama, John Hawkins Parkway. This is the 2-bedroom that has a king in one area with a closed door, a queen in here with a closed door, and then this comes into a pull-out. Now, we normally do videos when we first get here, but it was late. We're here for a ball tournament. So this is after we've exited, so that's why you see this. I cleaned up a little bit and didn't really make the beds, but I wanted to show y'all this space. So inside, we come immediately to the right. We do have a kitchen, has a full-size fridge, also a stove, microwave. There are some plates and cups in the cabinets, even a dishwasher. So if you're here for a week-long ball tournament, this is a great location to the Hoover Met. We do have a high top table. And then as we come into the living room, you'll see this is a pull-out. We did have 3 boys here with me and my husband. Now it is a thin mattress, I will tell you that. It was about like that. So don't put the big kids on it. We had one, he's about 5'8", maybe 140, and he was good. He was also tired from ball though. And then over here we have a nice desk, some USBs, 2 outlets, window. These are good blackout curtains, I will say that. Then we have a television, a chest of drawers, not very deep at all, maybe hand. So that is this area. Temperature control is on the wall right here. Okay, and as we go to the left, this is a queen bed, just one. And again, I did not make the bed. We had 2 boys sleeping in here. Both nightstands have the same with the 2 USBs and the 2 regular outlets. Same curtain situation. They also have a television in here. These doors are a little deeper though. Again, that's not what it's gonna look like when you get here. That's me that covering up. So over here is 1 bathroom. That's what I like about this place. There's actually 2 bathrooms. Just your typical hotel bathroom. .39 degrees north are the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. One sink. This is your lotion. They did have a couple makeup removers, which was nice. They also had a shower cap. And then walking back out into the living area. Across the hallway, we have a king bed. Another TV, so that makes 3 TVs in here. Same with the curtains. Same nightstand. That is an iHome clock. And there's your switch. And we have a dressing area with a pretty big closet. And spin around to one sink. Some drawers. The hair dryer was in the drawers. And now this is just a shower. There is no tub in here. There's a tub in the other one. And of course we used all of our towels. And that's it. This is the 2-bedroom at Residence Inn Hoover on John Hawkins Parkway, across from Walmart, just down from the Met. Just outside the eating area, there's more seating. There's a fire pit, there's 2 grills, and then this is the pool. So just typical hotel. I mean, it's not like a resort, but it's nice if you're gonna be here, like I said, playing ball, or if you're down in the Hoover for other reasons. They have a little mini golf area right here, which was interesting. Not much, but you know, a little putting going on. Little Connect 4 over here. This is a great little hotel.